Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to share two ideas that I had in my head for a Valentine's Day dinner. Now these ideas were inspired by my time at a French restaurant many years ago. On the menu they had something called steak au poivre. So a poivre is a French sauce made with brandy or cognac, cream, and peppercorn, and they typically serve that dish with French fries. And then the other steak idea on the menu was a steak in a red wine reduction, which was made with red wine, shallots, and butter. And both of those went really well with the steak. So on my menu or on my channel, there is a vegan steak, and I thought for Valentine's Day these would be two nice dinner ideas that would look great by candlelight for dinner. So I wanted to share these recipes with you. I hope you enjoy. And I did share some brandy / cognac vegan options in the description. So let me know what you think, and have a happy Valentine's Day. Bye.